Who says you can't teach old wiring new tricks? FastStat wire extenders let you add control wires to an HVAC system without running new cable through the walls. Whether you're switching a heat-only setup to heating and cooling, or installing a Wi-Fi thermostat that needs a C-wire, FastStat lets you make equipment upgrades, well, fast. The most basic FastStat model, the Model 1000, adds a single wire, just enough to turn a single-stage furnace into a two-stage system, with no fishing required. The 3000 adds two wires, so a heat-only system can become a clean split between heating and cooling. The 5000 goes even further, giving you a common wire plus 3 more control wires. The additional wires let you go from basic heat to two-stage heat and cooling, fully Wi-Fi ready. The FastStat Model 7000 is perfect for post-heat pump conversions, adding thermostat and condenser wiring. And if all you need is extra control on the condenser side, the 9000 is the model for you, quietly filling in the gaps without touching the thermostat lines at all. No new wires, no extra labor. FastStat turns can't be done into already did. The entire line of FastStat wire extenders is available with fast nationwide shipping from Supply House. Order yours today at supplyhouse.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.